In the cozy town of Buttercup Hill, where tulips grew in teacups and rain sounded like music, lived a cheerful girl named Nina. Nina had two big dreams: to be the best pancake flipper in the world, to cook breakfast all by herself. One sunny Saturday, Nina woke up early, tied her red apron, and marched into the kitchen. "Mama, can I make pancakes all by myself today?" she asked. Mama smiled. "Go ahead, Chef Nina. Just remember, go slow, read the steps, and be careful." Nina nodded proudly. "Easy peasy." She poured the flour a little too fast, cracked the eggs a bit too messy, and spilled just a tiny bit of milk. But the batter still looked fluffy and fun. "I'm doing great," she sang. Then came the moment of truth, flipping the pancake. She watched as the batter bubbled in the pan. "I got this," she said, grabbing the spatula. She counted, 1, 2, 3, flip. Splat! The pancake didn't land in the pan. It flew through the air, spun like a frisbee, and landed right on her forehead. Butter splattered. Syrup stuck to the counter. A blueberry rolled under the fridge. Nina's smile disappeared. "I failed," she mumbled, staring down at the mess. Just then, Mama walked in. "Oh dear," Mama said, trying not to laugh. "Looks like breakfast flipped you instead." "I ruined it," Nina sniffled. The flip was terrible. Mama knelt down and wiped syrup from Nina's nose. "But tell me," Mama asked kindly, "before the flip, did you check the pan temperature? Or grip the spatula right?" Nina thought. "I guess I rushed. I didn't wait long enough. And I held the spatula too loose." Mama nodded. "Don't just look at where you fell, look at where you slipped." Nina blinked. "You mean I should learn what I did wrong before the fall?" "Exactly," Mama said. "That's how great chefs and great people get better." So Nina cleaned up the kitchen, washed her hands, and tried again. This time, she gripped the spatula firmly, waited for the bubbles to tell her it was ready, counted carefully. 1, 2, 3, flip. Thump! The pancake landed perfectly in the pan. Golden and round like a sun. She flipped more, flop, flip, fluff. Soon, a tall stack sat on the plate, topped with strawberries and a swirl of whipped cream. At breakfast, Mama took a big bite. "MMMM. Best pancakes ever, Chef Nina." Nina grinned. "I messed up at first, but I learned where I slipped. That's what made me better." Mama raised her fork like a trophy. "That's the secret recipe for success." Moral: do not look where you fell, but where you slipped. It's okay to make mistakes, but instead of just feeling bad, ask yourself what led to the mistake, and grow from there. That's how you get wiser, stronger, and maybe even flip perfect pancakes. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.